Hi, my name is Dr. Stacy and I'm the owner of Evolution Body Transformation in Monona, Wisconsin. I'm here with my lovely friend Jackie and we're going to be talking about Sculpt Patches. But before we do that, would you tell us a little bit about you and what you do?
I work in an office. Now I'm a home worker, and for a while my daughter moved in and she was working from home with me with COVID. And I come to Stacy for many things, for chiropractic, and so does my daughter.
Mm-hmm. I don't even know how it came up.
How did it came up? Yeah.
I don't remember it either.
I think I talked about the B12 shots.
Yeah.
And then you started talking about the Sculpt Patch.
So basically the Sculpt Patch is a newer product and they're like little Band-Aids, so that it's actually about this size. And you just put one on your body per day. So there's 90 in the kit. And so it'll be a 3-month supply. So every day you're giving yourself just a little dose of that B12. So B12, if you get a little diminished in B12, you can have issues with mood and stress and anxiety, loss of sleep, can manifest into metabolic issues, trouble losing weight, those kinds of things. So if you have normal levels and you take B12, it's really not going to do anything for you at all because it's not a drug. But if you are deficient, it can make a huge difference in your mood and all those kinds of things. So you wink wink thought maybe she should try these?
Well, yes, I did. Well, anyway, I said, let me get some. And again, we're both working and we're working in a small apartment. And of course, with COVID, you can't get out and see your friends. She's also a musician.
Oh my gosh.
So I said, Misha, try these patches. And she did, and I noticed a difference. She noticed a difference as well. And we're continuing to use them.
I'm so glad that helped.
Yes. And now she has moved out into her own apartment right now. So I think that helps as well, and we can get out a little bit more. But it still is, I think, very important for anxiety and moods. If you can get something so simple as a B12 patch and it makes a difference,
right?
I'm all for it.
Absolutely, and there's really no down effects to it. I mean, you can't overdose on it. It's not going to hurt you in any way. Yeah. So we use it you can use it a la carte. Some people just use it actually as a part of a weight loss program, but we also often combine it with our body contouring services, kind of as like the 90 days after the service, because it also helps with detoxification, lymphatic drainage, all those kinds of things. So it's been a really nice addition to the practice. Well, thank you for telling us your story about them.
Thank you. That sounds like a wonderful product.
If you like this video, please comment and share. And we would love it if you follow us on our social media channels. And if you have any questions, we can even ship these wherever you want. You can call the clinic at 608-274-2225 and we can get you hooked up with your own 90-day kit. Thanks for watching.